Hello, students. Welcome to the channel. Today, let's explore fantastic frogs. Frogs are amazing creatures that live all over the world. They can jump high, make funny sounds, and start life as tiny tadpoles. Let's explore the wonderful world of frogs. What is a frog? Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live both in water and on land. They have smooth, moist skin, long legs for jumping, and big eyes to help them see. Isn't that cool? And did you know some frogs can actually breathe through their skin? Now let's talk about the life cycle of a frog. Frogs go through an amazing change called metamorphosis. They start as eggs in the water, hatch into tadpoles with tails, grow legs, and then become adult frogs. Imagine if you could change shape as you grew, like growing a tail and then legs. Frogs are like superheroes with secret powers. Next, where do frogs live? Frogs can be found in ponds, lakes, rivers, and rainforests. Some frogs even live in trees. They need water to keep their skin moist and to lay their eggs. So, next time you are by a pond or a river, see if you can spot a frog sitting on a lily pad or maybe hiding in the grass. How do frogs move? Frogs are excellent jumpers. Their long, strong legs help them leap high and far. Some frogs can jump 20 times their own body length. That's like you jumping the entire length of your classroom in one big hop. Boing! Can you jump like a frog? Give it a try. Now, what do frogs eat? Frogs eat insects like flies, mosquitoes, and beetles. They catch their food with their long, sticky tongues. Some bigger frogs even eat small animals. If you had a super long tongue, what would you want to catch for lunch? Now, what sounds do frogs make? Frogs make all kinds of sounds. Some say ribbit, while others croak, chirp, or even whistle. They use their calls to talk to other frogs and find mates. Let's all try to make our best frog sound on the count of three. One, two, three. All right. Now, fun frog fact. Did you know that the Goliath frog is the biggest frog in the world? Or that some frogs can freeze in winter and come back to life in spring? Frogs are full of surprises. And here's a silly one. Some frogs glow in the dark. Frogs really are the rock stars of the animal kingdom, right? Now, why are frogs important? Frogs help keep nature in balance. They eat lots of insects, which helps control bugs like mosquitoes. They are also food for other animals like birds and snakes. So, by just being themselves, frogs are heroes for our planet. How can we help frogs? Frogs are in danger because of pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. We can help by keeping ponds clean, planting trees, and not using harmful chemicals. Let's all be frog friends and make the world a safer place for them. Conclusion. Frogs are amazing creatures, and now you know all about them. Keep exploring nature and see if you can spot a frog near you. Maybe you'll find one showing off its jumping skills or calling out to a friend. Thanks for hopping along on this frogtastic adventure. See you next time in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.